Let's start exercise 4.3. I solved some questions in first segment and now here I am going to solve question number 3. The first question is given x minus 1 upon x is equal to 3 and you are given x not equal to 0. X not equal to 0 means what? If this x will become equal to 0, so it will not remain a condition of quadratic equation. So what you have to do here, we have to take LCM here, we have taken x. Then you know cross multiplication also will give you x square minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. Multiplying x towards right side, it will be x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. So converting into standard form, what we are getting, x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. As I told you, it is not possible always to bring the factor of the last term by the splitting method to get the middle term. So we are using formula method. It was made by Sridhar Acharya, our great mathematician. So how to do the formula method? It was compared with the quadratic equation standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 1. Then we have to find discriminant first, that you all know, b square minus 4ac. Here b is what? Minus 3 whole square minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 1. Now minus into minus plus 9 plus it is what? 13. So it is greater than 0. So what we have to write, the roots are real and distinct. Distinct means we will get the different two answers for the given roots. So the first one is, now I am using x instead of alpha and beta, minus b plus root d upon 2a. So put here the values. You can see the values has been put from here. And the first equation is 3 plus root 13 upon 2 and the second is 3 minus root 13 upon 2. So we can write the final equation. The roots of the equations are 3 plus root 13 upon 2 and 3 minus root 13 upon 2. Clear? So you can see the whole calculation. I am holding the camera. Then let me start question number 2 of this third question, the second part. It is given as, excuse me, second, it is 1 upon x minus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. Now see, here x is not equal to minus 4, okay, it is plus 4, sorry. X is not equal to minus 4 and here x is not equal to 7. Otherwise, they will not give you the condition of quadratic equation. Clear? Now, take the LCM. How to take LCM? Let me explain you. It is x plus 4 and the next one is, excuse me, actually, okay, x plus 4 and the next one is what? X minus 7. So it is now, see, x plus 4 and x minus 7 is divided by x plus 4 first, okay, to get the terms on your numerator. So x plus 4 will be cancelled. I will write here x minus 7. Then I will put minus sign here. Be careful, it is a minus sign. Once again I will divide x plus 4 x minus 7 by x minus 7. So it is what? X plus 4 is equal to 11 by 30. Clear? Now then, in denominator it is x square 4x minus 7x, it is minus 3x minus 28. That will multiply and get. But here numerator it is x minus 7 minus x minus 4. Because of this minus sign will be cancelled. Is equal to 11 by 30. You can cancel x and x here. So what you will get now? It is minus 11 upon x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. We can reduce our equation in such a way that we can simply cancel 11 1s are 11. So it is minus 1 left here. So cross multiplication, it will be minus 30 is equal to x square minus 3x minus 28, or it also can be written as x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 is equal to 0, or it can be written as x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we have to identify whether the given equation is either to be solved on the basis of formula method or splitting method. So see, it is 2 given here. So for 2 1 are 2, that we know, 2 1 are 2, but we have to bring here minus 3, so it is minus 2 and minus 1. So minus 2 and minus 1 will give you minus 3, but minus 2 into minus 1 will give you what? 2. Clear? So what we have to do? We have to put the value. It is x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we have to take common x, and minus 1, it is x minus 2 is equal to 0. So it is x minus 2 x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 1. So this is what the calculation. Okay, you see it very properly. I am holding the camera and confirm your answer. Okay. So this is what, when you are given such a type of different questions which are not in standard form. So if you have R.D. Sharma or other reference book, you can go for such that kind of different conditions or situations to convert the equation into standard form. This one is our standard form, you can see here, and then make yourself very clear. Either it should be solved in terms of quadratic formula method or splitting method, and then go for their solution. Okay, now let me start you today 1 or 2 words problem, and then we will finish today's topic. Now I am going for the words problem. We have to read the question very carefully. That is, see the 4th question. The sum of the reciprocals of Raman's edge. Reciprocals means what? Inverse. Okay, Raman's age is in years. Age should be considered in years. It is what? The unit of age, years. 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. Find his present age. The sum of reciprocal of Raman's age 3 years ago and 5 years now. Reciprocal. So first of all, we have to consider its present and past age. So we'll write here question number 4. Let the present age of Rahman be x years. So it is given that 3 years ago. 3 years ago means the past, so we'll write 3 years ago. Age of Rahman was x minus 3, right? So its reciprocal will be, it is equal to 1 upon x minus 3, and then it is given as 5 years from now. 5 years from now, age of Rahman will be x plus 5 years. Okay, so reciprocal of x plus 5 will be 1 upon x plus 5. So what is the condition? Condition is that the sum of their reciprocal is 1/3. Reciprocal means the first one, this one and this one, is equal to 1/3. So again it is not in standard form, so we have to convert it into standard form. So we have to take the LCM again. It is x minus 3 x plus 5. So x minus 3 and x plus 5 will be divided by x minus 3 once again. So what will happen? X minus 3 will be cancelled. We will write here x plus 5 plus these two terms will be divided by x plus 5 again. So x plus 5 will be cancelled. It is x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So x plus x is what? 2x plus 5 minus 3 minus 2, and what you will get in denominator? It is x square minus 3x then 5x, it is plus 2x. Okay, x square plus 5x minus 3, and it is minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Now cross multiplication. So it is x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 6x minus 6. What I did? Multiplied 3 by 2 and 2. So therefore x square plus 2x minus 6x minus 15 plus 6 is equal to 0. So it will be x square minus 4x. Okay, and what I will write now? Just wait. X square plus 2x minus 15, so minus 6. Sorry, it is plus 2. So it is plus 6. So this plus will come here and it will become minus. Extremely sorry. So minus 15 minus 6 is what? Minus 21 is equal to 0. Okay. Now we have to find the factors of minus 21. Okay. Minus 21 will be 7 3s are. So once again I am repeating my mistake, that is this plus 5 minus 3 is plus 2. Okay. Then I will multiply, so it will become plus 6. So plus 6 will become this side and it will be minus. So we got minus 21. Two factors of minus 21 to bring minus 4, it is minus 7 and plus 3. So I will write here, therefore x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 is equal to 0. So it is x minus 7, and here plus 3, it is x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x plus 3, x minus 7 is equal to 0. So therefore x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 7. So age cannot be a negative value. So x is equal to 7. So what is the age of Rahman? I will write here, therefore the age of Rahman, the present age of Rahman is how much? It is 7 years. See the calculation. Whatever the mistake was there, I just reconfirmed it, and then you have to make the equation like this. Don't hide any kind of statement. Write the full statement, otherwise your marks will be deducted. Okay, when you are not writing the complete statement. And then you have to proceed like this. Then you have to go for the standard form, and after standard form you have to solve either any way, using what? Quadratic formula method or splitting method. And then don't forget to write the final answer along with the particular unit. Like we got the Rahman's age is 7 years. Clear? So by this way we have to proceed for our words problem. Clear? So from next segment, what I will do, I will give you only the equations. Okay, and you have to solve it according to what? Using splitting method, because it is quite a bit easier. That let me explain you one thing. Whatever the words problem are there, they all will be solved using splitting method. So we do not have to panic about quadratic formula method. And you have done splitting method so many times in your previous classes. Clear? So in next segment, whatever the words problem will come, I will make the equations and I will give you to solve as an assignment. Take care, stay home, stay safe, goodbye.